大家好，欢迎收看我的视频。你有没有去过世界上最棒、最特别的鸟类天堂？没错，它就在新加坡最新开幕的曼达伊鸟园，也是曼达伊5大动物园区之一。这次我会制作3集视频来带大家深入探索这个精彩绝伦的鸟类天堂，因为这里实在有太多值得分享的精彩瞬间。如果你喜欢我的影片，记得点赞、分享，还有订阅我的频道，这样你就不会错过接下来的精彩内容啦。今天我要带大家一起观看新加坡鸟园里最精彩的表演——飞越世界 （Wings of the World）。这是整座鸟园里最不容错过的亮点之一，千万要看到最后，才不会错过整场精彩演出。接下来的时间，我将不再说话，让你可以全心投入，享受鸟儿们带来的震撼与感动。准备好了吗？我们一起进入这场翅膀的盛宴吧！
So by eating cake, it neutralizes all of the toxins out. Isn't it amazing?
Yes, indeed. No upset tummies. And it's like both friends are still enjoying their salty feast, so shall we give them a big round of applause? Welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. What do you need? You want to see more?
Of course.
More birds? Right there! Okay, buddy.
Yep.
Enough birds already?
Of course not. Remember I said 1,000, not enough.
Oh, just some more?
Some more.
You see what I mean? Crazy.
Hey.
So, having said that, we are going to meet some special friends of the park. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keep your eyes left and right. Here comes our beautiful bird. Here he comes. Hello there. So joining here with me, I have Pelican, the green-winged macaw. Now, green-winged macaws, they are one of the largest in the Parrot family. Now, Pelican's here. He is about 10 years old. Okay, so joining me right up there is CK.
I want to be talking to. Good afternoon to you, CK. So CK here is you want to be talking to. And you want to be talking to. You get to count is Malacca Island, and India is inside of Indonesia. But if the cavity is too small, they will use their beak to make the hole bigger. So let's have these two birds to demonstrate it, shall we?
Alright, CK, you first. And great job. We have Pelican sticks. Okay, let's get this started, shall we? All the way inside, please. Now, if you're wondering what goes on inside, everyone take a look at the big screen. Hey,
What about CK?
CK. Do we have CK? Oh, okay, look, CK.
A giant CK on the screen. Look.
Look at CK, you're a bird, you need to fly. Come on. There we go. With that, everyone, shall we take it up our beautiful birds and their wonderful train? Okay. You stand here. Let me prove this to you, okay? Hi. You want to show everyone here how do you do the rooster. Rooster. There we go, the rooster loud and clear. You believe me now?
Yes, I believe you now.
Everyone, this is Quincy and that is Amigo, masters of mimicry. Okay, so Quincy, there is so many of them today. How would you like to welcome everyone? There we go. Now Quincy here, he actually said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear that one more time, shall we? You ready? Welcome them. Great job there. Alright, so earlier on. Very fierce, right? Okay. How about we try something else? Okay, Quincy, you want to show everyone here how do you do the telephone? Oh, the telephone's on silent mode. Okay, we'll try this one more time, alright? Okay, Quincy, focus. Ready, and telephone. There we go. Shall we give it up for Quincy, everyone?
So parrots imitate sounds and calls made by their family member in the world. So when they imitate human sounds, they are just doing what they hear around them.
That's right. In our case, Quincy and Amigo's family members will be the Mandai Star.
Hi Mandai Star. Okay, so now let's hear our yellow name Amazon parrot. Quincy, your birthday today. Just raise up your hand. It's your birthday. Anyone? Let me see. Any birthday today? Oh, okay. I see a few hands up right over there. Now you know what? This special song goes to those of people who are celebrating your birthday today, okay? Amigo, let's sing for them. Let's sing it. Celebrating your birthday and thank you for celebrating from here to Bird Paradise. Yogi, I must say it was really amazing.
Yes. Hi. How are you today? Oh. Go. Bye. Did you hear how loud that was? Hornbill. Hello there. So right now with trainer Shuffle, we have Olivia, the Oriental flying hornbill. Now Olivia here, she has a very heartwarming story. As a chick, she fell out of the nest and hurt herself. Little old Olivia not have survived. But right here in the bird paradise, she has been nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us.
Oh, thank you for sharing with us, Yogi. So hornbills like Olivia, they can only be found in Asia and Africa. Now hornbills, they have a distinctive feature over their wings, fronts and broad soles. Now it gives them the strength and stability when they move up and down branches in the forest. Well, I'm sure you have more to share.
Yes, and that will be their tongues. So hornbills, they have pretty short tongues, as you can see right over there. 2, 3, up goes the bird, and gone. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time, okay? Alright, Olivia, I'm gonna need you to focus, okay? Show off your agility. Ready? One more time. 1, 2, 3, up goes the bird. There we go. And with that, shall we give it up for Olivia, the Oriental flying hornbill, together with trainer Shamril. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Well, everyone, hornbills, hello Oriental flying hornbill. Everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Vicky, the Queen flying hornbill. Okay, I'm sure you heard that sound earlier on. Now that is how the Greek white hornbill vocalizes. In she goes. Now, however, if you want female hornbill like Vicky, these are fussy about German combination. Now, it has to be spacious and have a chimney so that they can escape if they want to. Then in the wild, the male will then bring her by and she will mix with fresh fruits. Guess what? Even her own droppings to make a strong seal. Just like that. Now everyone, let's welcome her mate, shall we? Let's welcome Sunny, another great white hornbill.
And if you cannot see this lovely gesture, not to worry, take a look at the big screen, everyone. Alright, in a short while we will be able to see this lovely gesture. There we go. So this is the female great white hornbill checking out the nest cavity. Only if she likes it, she will hop right in. And in Thank you. Alright? Okay, Rose, you want to over there? There's people waiting for you. Alright, do you want to go over to the head? No? Okay, do you want to usher yourself down? Alright, now while we wait for that, once again, please on your like to check out all Pelican species. Just remember to head down to the Rings of Asia. And there will be a token feeling, so if you like to very funny. Alright, come on, Rose, everyone's waiting for you. Don't be shy. Okay, now on your page, so did you know that these birds, they are flying for hundreds of miles, up to 24 hours without even stopping. That is because they are large, but they are very lightweight. So usually a pigback pelican, they can weigh up to 36 kilograms. Okay, come on. We have another trainer out here for you, Rose. You've got 3 different trainers calling you, including the one in the second place. Look at that. Come on, all the way to the trainer. Do you want to go up to the hand or do you want to go up to the perch?
Now once again, please release that 请坐下。Please, thank you.
Alright, okay, so before we get Rose to go up to the perch, please remain seated, no more movements, alright? Okay, come on, Rose, let's try the segment once again, okay? Do you want to step up all the way up to the perch? Okay, we're going to get our trainers to come up to the perch. Come on, you need to fly up. Come on, you can do this. A little bit more, no. Alright, once again, we appreciate if everyone could just cooperate with us, so please remain seated and stop moving, alright? Okay, come on, Rose, would you like to fly to the
天的视频就到这里了，希望你喜欢。如果你觉得有趣，记得点赞、分享，还要订阅我的频道，这样你就能第一时间收到下期视频的通知。希望很快再见到你们，感谢观看，我们下次再见。